Hi, I'm A&E Forrest from A&E Forrest, a family-run business. We do quite a wide variety of work, from pattern making, mould making, GRP. We do a bit of tool making and just general machining. We do cut a wide variety of stuff. We cut some PU resin board for GRP masters. We also cut aluminiums for backform tooling. At the moment we're actually cutting some S355 steel, but we've also got some S690 steel on the go as well at the moment. Because of the industry we're in Central Belt Scotland, we need to try and do a bit of everything to keep everything moving. When we're doing a lot of the foam, we'll batch machine with a large array of parts on it at one time. Well, originally we bought our first Hurco 18 years ago, and that worked really well, so we bought a second, and then from there we've moved on from that. We bought bigger ones, a 64, a BMC 50, and then this will be our sixth Hurco machine. The Hurco control is by far the easiest to work, and that plays its part in here, along with the capacity of the machine as well. The materials can be challenging, but the combination of Delcam programming, and we use Tungaloy cutters, we seem to have quite a good result with them. The machine's very easily accessible, and that helps massively when you're loading large plates as these components are. We have regularly run with S690 steel, which is quite tough, but the hardest we've run is a manganese steel casting for crusher jaws. This machine's regularly cut PU foams and wood for various pattern making applications. The larger Y was key because traditionally machines have got a large Y, have got a really long or extra large X axis, and therefore the machines are really big and bulky. This has got a good all-round footprint and a really good size. The Hurcos have always had a decent Z travel on them, which is they're a good all-round size machine. This machine has got through spindle coolant. It's just a standard 12,000 spindle. The parts department is first class. If you've got a fault or a problem, you phone them up, they'll talk you through it, they'll explain to you what you're needing, and that is a massive part in the sale. This machine will give us a really good stepping stone into the future, and will hopefully last us quite a long time.